What's up, guys? I just want to do a quick video, a quick value post, something that's been working for me and has just dramatically changed my life. And so I just want to go into how I went from doing 300K in sales organically in 6 months, working about 12 hours a day, to now doing 20,000 cash collected up front in 2 weeks, basically on autopilot, just using the methods of a free challenge, ManyChat, and a webinar. And actually right now the free challenge is converting higher ticket clients better than the webinar. And so I just want to show you that real quick. So let me pop this open. First off, if you're not using ManyChat, guys, you're leaving money on the table. Simple as that. Right now, this is for my webinar. I have 186 opt-ins, 100% are opening, and then 56 click over percent, and then another 50% actually opt into the webinar. Okay, so it creates an extra step, but what you have to understand is all these people who are getting on my list can now register for my webinar anytime, apply for coaching, 60 clicks. You can see people are actually applying for coaching. Join my Facebook group. Like, look at the amount of clicks I'm generating just from using ManyChat, okay? It's an awesome tool. They see this anytime. So when they open a message from me, it always has this at the bottom, just sitting there. It's amazing. Sequences, you can follow up. Now, granted, there's not a huge click-through rate, but if they were interested, they already would have made a move, right? That's normal. You're getting a lot of free traffic. You're giving away something free. That's going to happen. That's how it works. It's all good. But you can follow up. They're inside your messenger, and you can see the open rates are 80% or higher, guys. Your email list will get 20, 30% tops. Okay, email list is still important. I'm still building it. You can see I don't have a huge email list, but I've taken a lot more time, and this is up, it's growing rapidly now. I'm 100 plus a day. I've really started to actually take care of my email list. So I'm just showing you legit numbers. Some of you guys will look at this and be like, I don't care. But the fact that I'm working maybe 4 hours a day now and making, if you do the numbers, if I continue, it's just going to increase, but it's upfront money. Before I was doing $2,500 payment plans for over 4 months. Now I'm doing $4,800 up front, or a 2-pay. So I can do half now, half in 30 days. So it's dramatically changed my life. So first thing is use ManyChat, guys. Now, once you use ManyChat, I'm going all over the place. Once you use ManyChat, what I do is I've used a free challenge that's amazing. So what I want to do is just show you guys a free challenge real quick. I'm just going to take you through it and why this is money, especially if you're in the fitness niche, okay? So what I do is I bring them over here, and they have this little video. They see my Facebook ad. It's basically just saying, hey, it's a free challenge, okay? They come here. They opt in, okay? I'm just going to do something weird. I don't want to get an email, okay? They come here, and then I hit them with my exclusive special offer for high ticket, okay? So what that does is it gets them on the phone, but I say, hey, this is exclusive. This isn't part of the challenge. Please don't sign up. But what I do is I leave a scheduler right here below, tons of social proof, boom, bada bing, generating calls like a mofo, okay? Probably shouldn't have said that, but you get the point. Then what I do is I take them through a very stringent application. I'm not going to show you that, but it's good. Then what happens at that point is now I'm messaging them inside ManyChat, and I'm hitting them on the back end with emails, okay? The goal being that I push them through the challenge, and at the end I get them on a high ticket phone call, or I can downsell them to some type of automated fitness program, okay? Very, very powerful. At the same time, my webinar I just started, and these are the stats so far. So I've just started my webinar. I've redone some, but this is my new one, and it might be a winner. So I've spent about $316, $4,800 in sales, $4,800 collected, okay? Webinars will lean out more people, okay? You're not going to get as many signups, but end of the day, it's another tool. Plus, guys, webinars are great if you already have someone on your list and you want to give them more value. Sometimes it's not the best upfront method. It still can be, but it's definitely good if someone's on your list or they need more info. Send them to your webinar. Let them watch a 30, 40-minute presentation, warm them up, get them acclimated with you. So just want to drop some value, guys. That's pretty much it. ManyChat and a free fitness challenge, or even if you're not in fitness, do some type of free challenge and upsell them. You can make a lot of money and help a lot of people. Now, what I will say, just to finish this off, is if you can't really help people, don't do it. If you're charging someone that amount of money and you can't produce, you will get a bad reputation. Okay. I have very happy clients. I have multiple video testimonials. You guys saw, on that page alone, how many testimonials I had. Here's another one, like I clicked on, that I did the other day, right? So here's another testimonial. And if you cannot get them to give you testimonials or them willing to do it without you begging, you're not doing a good job. So just use this information wisely. The only reason I'm doing this is I don't do business coaching. I've had about 5 beta clients. That's it. Try my stuff out. But that is all. I haven't done anything besides that. And so I just want you guys to keep in mind, doing organic is great, and I can hustle harder than anybody out there. But end of the day, guys, if you can change what you're doing and learn how to master paid traffic and get that kind of ROI, it's a game changer. And a lot of you are leaving money on the table just because you're not utilizing your tools. You're not utilizing what you have. Also, PS, if you're not good at sales or you're not good on camera, it's going to be difficult for you, okay? That's a big struggle I've seen with some fitness clients. You need to make sure that you're good on camera or you're good at sales, okay? And if you're not, don't start with paid traffic. Start with organic. Do a ton of phone calls. Learn how to do it. I did 80-something phone calls from organic traffic without paying any ad spend, and I was able to learn over time what to say and what to do to get people in a place where they're ready to purchase that kind of program for $4,800 when they can go get a $47 program on the internet. So just wanted to share that with you guys. I don't know where I'm going to be posting this, but please just use ManyChat. Please do some type of free challenge. And then if you have a high ticket offer, give them an opportunity to buy. Before that, I had a thank you page. I switched it to that. And it looks like that's might be a funnel that could potentially become a 2 Common Club funnel. So just want to share that with you guys. Appreciate you. Hope that provides some value. Have a good rest of your day.